Alright guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video before and after of the ZX6R exhaust we're about to put on. We just replaced the chain a few minutes ago, and my brother's going to go he is driving the bike around, just getting it warmed up a little bit, and when he gets back, we'll do a little sound clip of the stock exhaust versus this little Yoshimura exhaust. Got a used one on eBay. It's a little scratched up, but got a good deal. And just give you guys a little before and after real quick. So here's the bike. It's 2007 Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. And as far as the engine goes or performance, it's completely stock. One thing we do have changed to keep in mind when we do the revs comparison, this stock exhaust, it does have a butterfly valve, and we already did the little mod to make the butterfly valve always open, so that may affect the sound when it's idling. Might be a little bit nicer than a completely unmodified stock exhaust. But it's warmed up, so I don't know if you want to just start it for us. I'll stand about 6 feet away or so. Just let it idle for a minute. Alright, if you want to give it a couple of revs. Maybe a little more. All right. So how many RPMs was that about? About 10,000 RPM. So we'll do something just about the same for the Yoshimura exhaust after it's on. Quick update. Just wanted to show a size comparison, and this one actually has a little bit of weight to it, but I would say this guy is still probably about twice as heavy as the aftermarket Yoshimura. So it's the next day. We finished putting on the Yoshimura exhaust, and first of all, I think it looks a million times better than the stock exhaust. The fairings cover it just perfectly so the carbon fiber tip sticks out. I think it looks great. We have both ridden it, and I think we both really like the tone and the volume overall. It's not too loud. It's just kind of just a step up from this stock exhaust. It sounds more mean. It sounds like a real track bike now, but not too overly aggressive and obnoxious. Yeah, I guess you want to just start it up. It's already been warmed up, so just give you a couple of revs about 6 feet away like last time. Yeah, that's how they know to open the garage door for us. But we both rode it today and did a couple of flybys or drive-bys, so I'll post those here in just a second.